An unwise thing to do is getting a loan to finance your debt. It is like robbing Peter to pay Paul. It will not solve your problem, but only makes you a slave to different masters. Hello and welcome. My name is Victoria Okamaka, your go-to person on matters concerning books, reading and academics. This is part 2 in Finance Corner with our discussion emanating from The Smart Money Woman, written by our lovely Arese Ugwu, the founder of Smart Money Africa. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your continued support. If you are new here, welcome to Booktorial Quest. To get started, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Having done that, welcome to the family. We are going to be talking about some debt management skills. Debt has dealt with a lot of people, either because they do not know how to approach it and hence do not approach it at all, or they approach it wrongly. Debt can be good or bad debt depending on how you got yourself into the situation. You can find yourself in debt as a result of borrowing, not paying your bills on time, or any other way. It is good debt or bad debt depending on what you are using it for. If you borrow to buy an asset that has a deadline or an investment that will surely appreciate over time, then it is good debt. However, when you borrow to get liabilities to spend on your wants, not your needs, buying things that your income cannot support, that will definitely lead you to bad debt, and you don't want to be on the bad debt side of the street. If you find yourself in a debt situation, following the steps that I'm about to share with you will help you resolve them and pay them off. The first step is acknowledgement. Acknowledge the total amount that you owe. You can start by making a list. List out every debt through credit cards, loans, the ones you borrowed from your friend or colleague, etc. Name them with their amount. This will make it easy for you to see your problem at a glance. After that, you need to prioritize your debts. Prioritize the list that you just made according to how important you think they are and how you want to start paying them off. You could place them in different order, like in order of the deadlines. For instance, you might be owing rent and your landlord is threatening to kick you out, so rent should probably rank number 1. 2. According to their amount. You might decide to pay off the largest first to boost your confidence in paying others. 3. In order of their interest rates. You might want to pay the ones with the highest interest rates first to reduce the amount you pay. The third step is devise a payment plan. Decide how you plan to raise the money to pay. You might consider getting another job to increase your earning. Your plan could be dedicating a percentage of your income to solve the problem. This can be done by having a certain percentage transferred to another bank account whenever your salary comes. The money is used to offset the debt whenever it reaches the required amount. 4. Set a deadline. For each debt you are trying to pay off, set a deadline. No matter if it is urgent or not. Time is not your friend. What may seem like 3 months may come sooner than you expected. Set the deadlines and follow the payment plans that we talked about in number 3. 5. Cut out excess and impulsive spending. Think about the triggers that led you into debt in the first place. Write them down, examine them, classify them according to wants and needs. Try to fit them into a budget and eliminate all the ones that cannot fit in. There is no need for you to pay off one debt only to be caught in another one. 6. Start keeping emergency funds. I talked about this in part 1 of Finance Corner, which is money management skills. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box, so make sure you proceed to watch it after this one. Going on, you might consider using your emergency funds if an emergency comes calling, instead of having nothing to fall back on or having borrowing as your only option when emergency hits. Note this red flag. An unwise thing to do is getting a loan to finance your debt. It is like robbing Peter to pay Paul. It will not solve your problem, but only makes you a slave to different masters. If you have read this book, The Smart Money Woman by Arese Ugwu, tell us in the comments what lessons you learned from it. If you are still watching, you should hit that subscribe button right now because you have nothing to lose. It's absolutely free. Like this video so that it can be recommended to more viewers. By the way, if you want a copy of this book, the hard copy or the ebook, check in the description box. There's a link for you there to get it. It's still me, Victoria Okamaka, your go-to person on matters concerning books, reading and academics. Keep watching!